Hey everyone, I know it's been a long time since we've talked. I just wanted to check in on this crazy snow day that we're having here in Pennsylvania. It's just probably the biggest storm that we've had in years, and it's a polar opposite, no pun intended, of what we see in the summertime. So I really missed coming on here and talking to you guys. So I just wanted to show you what this acre on the creek looks like right now. So we've got this yardstick here, so we're gonna go out and measure, hi Haley, how much snow we have. Oh, that's not a stick. I mean, it is a stick, but not for you. Oh no. Hey, don't break it. I literally had to put her inside because she won't stop biting the yardstick. Okay, I need to figure out a path to get to something flat. Sorry, I'm so shaded. So we can see how much snow we have. And you can see my knees here. So this is so deep. There's the garden. Looking totally different than a few short months ago. So here's some of what Nick has plowed from the driveway. So I think I'm gonna measure right here. Ooh, I'm out of breath walking in this snow because this is pretty flat. You can see there's a little hill here. It's flat, and then there's the hill from plowing. Crazy. I have no good way of setting up the camera. There's so much snow. Okay, it's fine. You'll just, this is just crazy, so let's just do it right here. Ready? Okay. We are officially at 22 inches, so nearly 2 feet of snow. That is really crazy. It's funny because I wrote an Instagram post earlier saying that, you know, I'm a stay-at-home mom. I run my business from home. So I stay home basically every single day. And it's interesting to be in this situation. And obviously I've had snow days before where you literally can't leave. Like, the roads are a mess. There's nowhere to go. Everyone's closed. And all I want to do is leave. And it just shows you how powerful, you know, your mind is, that as soon as you feel stuck or trapped, it's like, I need to get away. I need to get out of this. And so I'm just trying to kind of lean into that feeling, I guess, of uncertainty, and more so of not having control. Because if I'm being honest, I think that's really where it stems from, is I'm not in control right now, and I don't like that. So this is just like an epic lesson that we need to be comfortable when we're not in control. So it's absolutely stunning out here right now. You know that sound, or the lack of sound, or the bouncing of sound? I don't really know what it is when there's just so much snow. It just sounds like the world has a cushion on it. I don't know. If you live in somewhere like Florida or California, maybe you don't know what I mean, but there's just something really special when it's snowy out and the way that the world sounds. Everything is so quiet and calm. Well, I think my lens is getting wet and the quality is probably going down. It's still snowing. It's been snowing since Sunday. Today is Tuesday. So I think that's why it feels like so much snow too, is because usually if we get a lot of snow, it'll be within like a day. Like, it'll just dump like 15 inches in a day. But this has been since Sunday. So I think that's also adding to the cabin fever feeling. I mean, it's still snowing at a pretty good rate. I don't think it's supposed to stop anytime soon, so we'll see where we end up. It's like 10 o'clock on Tuesday morning and we're at 22 inches. That is freaking crazy. I'm literally just sitting in the snow. I think I'll enjoy it a little bit by myself. Noreen's taking a little nap. And anyways, like I said at the beginning, it's been a little while since I've talked to you guys, and I definitely have been taking a big break from YouTube. But I've been seeing some new people still subscribe and come on here, and that's really heartwarming to me. And I see that you guys are getting to know me and have decided to stick around, and that really means a lot to me. So I just wanted to make a quick video today to check in, to say hi, show you that we're still here even though we're super snowed in. So spring will be here before we know it, I'm sure, and we'll be sharing all kinds of things together. So thanks for tuning into this short video. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.